வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன் எவல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் ஹியூமன்ஸ் அண்ட் சொசைட்டி ப்ரீ ஹிஸ்டாரிக் பீரியட். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறோம். சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். டேஸ் இஸ் ஜெனட்டிக்கலி க்ளோசஸ்ட் டு ஹியூமன்ஸ். Option B, chimpanzee is the correct answer. The period called dash marks the beginning of agriculture and animal domestication. Option C, Neolithic is the correct answer. Direct ancestor of modern man was dash. Option C, Homo spanus is the correct answer. Dash refers to the area covering Egypt, Israel, Palestine and Iraq. Option B, Fertile Crescent is the correct answer. Sir Robert Bruce Foote, a geologist from England, first discovered the dash tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. Option B, Paleolithic is the correct answer. Sixth one, the period before the introduction of writing is called prehistory. The prehistoric people developed language, made beautiful paintings and artifacts. The prehistoric societies are treated as illiterate. The prehistoric period is called an ancient. The option C, first and fourth statement are the correct statement. The first statement, Neolithic people used polished stone axes called cillets. The evidence of Neolithic village is found at Payampalli in Chennai district. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Bronze Age. The period that witnessed domestication of animals and cultivation of crops is called Mesolithic. Option A, first statement is the correct statement. Assertion and reason are given. The option D, assertion and reason both are incorrect statement. Filling the blanks, hand axes and clevers are the important tool types of the dash culture. Answer is Lower Paleolithic. The methods and techniques involved in the production of stone tools are called dash technology, lithic. Dash is known as the Middle Stone Age as it is placed between the Paleolithic and Neolithic. The answer is Mesolithic. Find out the correct statement. The concept survival of the fittest contributed to the scientific understanding of human origins. True. The book on the origin of species was published by Herbert Spencer. Of third statement, Darwin's theory of biological evolution connects with the process of natural selection. Option D, the geology is the study of lithic technology. The A and C are the correct statement. Among the great apes, orangutan is genetically the closest to humans. The ancestors to humans were called hominians and their origins have been traced to Africa. Flake, a small chip that was flaking on both sides. Acheulean is the main block of stone from which small chips are flaked by using a hammerstone. The option B statement is the correct statement. Paleoanthropology, the study of human ancestors. Hand axe tools. Acheulean, images on stone and bones. Venus, red sand dunes. Terrace, stone artifacts of small size. Microliths. Answer the following in briefly. Discuss how the age of speculation made humans become conscious and knowledgeable. The age of speculation made humans become conscious and knowledgeable. During that period, people became curious and began to think and ask questions about nature, organisms and the world around them. They also developed their own understanding about various natural forces. Write a note on the impact of pastoralism on the prehistoric people in Tamil Nadu. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep. Irrigation management developed in this period. People settled on the river banks and cultivated millets and rice. List out the features of megalithic burial types. The people of Iron Age created burials with large stones for the dead people. Within these burials, the skeletons or the few bones of the dead were placed along with grave goods. The megalithic burials are classified as dolmens, cysts, menhirs, rock-cut caves, urn burials, and sarcophagus. The burials types of codical, topical, and pathical are found in Kerala. Examine the tool-making techniques, skills of Lower Paleolithic people. The Lower Paleolithic people were hunters and food gatherers. They were intelligent enough to select naturally available stone block or pebbles to make their tools. They made various tools such as hand axes and clevers to meet the subsistence needs. The tools have physical symmetry and convey the human's cognitive skill. Answer the following in detail. The developments in the field of agriculture, pottery and metal tools are considered a landmark in the life of megalithic period subsistence. The people in the megalithic age practiced agriculture and domesticated cattle and sheep. From the stage of food gatherers, they became as food producers. They cultivated millets and rice were cultivated. Potteries were used for cooking, storage and dining purpose. The people used the black and red colors to make black ware and red ware pottery. When the people stored food grains in the pots and vessels, they started to think further invention in their free time. The megalithic people were experts in iron technology. They made iron tools and used for agriculture, hunters, gatherings and in battles. Bronze bowls, vessels, bronze mirrors and bills were also used by the people. The developments changed the lifestyle of the people. The history of humans is closely related to the history of the earth. Elucidate. The earth contains geological, archaeological and biological records of historical times in its upper layers. They are all important for the reconstructing the history of the earth and various living organisms including humans. Archaeologists excavated the soil and rock layers on the earth and extract evidences about human ancestors. Through the evidences, the historians attempt to understand the evolution of human history and developments in chronological order. After the formation of earth, the plants and animals came into being and thereby foundation was laid for the evolution of humans. Humans are the only species on the earth concerned with understand as well as explaining the world and the universe. Thus the history of human is closely related to the history of earth. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ ஐ வில் பி அப்லோடட் soon. Thank you for watching my channel and also thank you for watching my video also.